Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing those stubborn dark circles under your eyes, no matter how many hours of sleep you get? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with dark circles, and they can leave you looking tired, older, and just drained. But here's the good news. There's a simple, affordable solution that might be hiding right in front of you. No more expensive treatments, no more wasted money on creams that promise to work overnight. You've already started your journey to fixing this issue just by clicking on this video. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Also, let us know in the comments, which of these skincare tips did you find the most helpful? In the next few minutes, we're going to uncover 5 powerful, all-natural ingredients that can help you tackle those dark circles once and for all. These aren't just beauty myths. They're scientifically backed ingredients that can brighten your skin, improve circulation, and reduce pigmentation under your eye.
Number 5. Vitamin C Serum. This incredible antioxidant is not just for boosting your immune system, it's a skincare superstar, especially when it comes to brightening your skin and reducing dark circles. Vitamin C Serum is known for its ability to fade pigmentation and promote a more even skin tone. Over time, it helps to lighten dark circles by reducing melanin production, which is the pigment responsible for the dark color under your eyes. But that's not all. Vitamin C also stimulates collagen production, which helps to strengthen and thicken the delicate skin under your eyes. This is key because thinner skin tends to show more blood vessels, which can cause the dark shadow effect around the eyes. But the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin C is also a natural brightener that helps to repair the skin from sun damage, fine lines, and wrinkles. It works by neutralizing free radicals that cause premature aging and skin damage, giving your skin a youthful glow. Imagine using a product that not only helps with dark circles, but also protects against further damage and makes your skin look radiant overall. That's the magic of vitamin C. To use vitamin C serum for your dark circles, simply apply a few drops directly to the under eye area after cleansing your face. Make sure to use it twice a day for best results, once in the morning and once at night. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it a perfect addition to your skincare routine. One of the best things about vitamin C serum is that it's suitable for almost all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, or sensitive skin, this...
Number 4. Retinol Eye Cream. Let's move on to a secret weapon for your skin, retinol. If you want to fight those dark circles and wrinkles, this ingredient is a game changer. Retinol works wonders by boosting collagen production. That means it helps make your skin thicker and stronger. This is important because the skin under your eyes is super thin and prone to showing dark circles. The more collagen, the less noticeable those circles become. But that's not all. Retinol also helps to fade dark spots and smooth out fine lines, leaving your under eye area looking fresh and rejuvenated. Imagine waking up to skin that feels smoother, looks brighter, and isn't showing those tired signs anymore. To use retinol eye cream, gently apply a tiny amount under your eyes before bed. A little goes a long way. Just be sure to use sunscreen during the day, because retinol can make your skin a bit sensitive to the sun. With regular use, you'll notice that the under eye area becomes firmer and more even-toned. This is one ingredient that can truly make a difference over time.
Number 3. Kojic Acid Cream. If you've never heard of it, you're in for a treat. Kojic acid is a natural ingredient derived from fungi, and it's amazing at lightening dark spots and brightening skin. How does it work? It actually stops the production of melanin in your skin, the substance that causes dark pigmentation. This means it can help fade dark circles and give your skin an overall brighter, more even tone. What's great about kojic acid is that it's gentle on the skin, making it perfect for the delicate under eye area. It's also a natural alternative to harsh chemicals, so it's a great option if you're looking for something safe and effective. Plus, it works wonders for other skin discolorations too, so it's not just for dark circles. To use kojic acid cream, apply it directly under your eyes after cleansing, and follow up with your usual moisturizer. With consistent use, you'll notice that the skin under your eyes looks more even and radiant. Plus, this is one of those ingredients that's budget-friendly and easy to find at most drugstores.
Number 2, azelaic acid, another powerful ingredient that works wonders for your skin. Azelaic acid is particularly effective for treating post-inflammatory pigmentation, which is basically the dark spots that appear after you've had acne, irritation, or other skin issues. But what makes it so amazing for dark circles is that it also helps to even out skin tone and reduce redness, which can make under-eye areas look less tired and more refreshed. Azelaic acid works by lightening those stubborn dark circles and clearing up skin discoloration. It's a great choice if you have sensitive skin because it's gentle and doesn't cause irritation like some other stronger acids. Whether you're dealing with dark spots from sun damage or just natural under-eye darkness, azelaic acid can help brighten the area gradually. You can find azelaic acid in both creams and gels that are perfect for the delicate skin under your eyes. Just apply a thin layer after cleansing and follow up with your regular moisturizer. It's an easy addition to your skincare routine, and you don't need to worry about it being too harsh. Over time, you'll see how it smooths out and brightens the under-eye area. The best part? Azelaic acid isn't just good for your under-eye area. It can be used on other dark spots or uneven areas of your face as well. It's a multitasker that provides an affordable, natural way to enhance your skin tone and fight pigmentation. This ingredient is definitely worth adding to your routine if you're looking to improve the overall appearance of your skin while tackling dark circles.
Number 1, alpha-arbutin, the number 1 ingredient that can truly transform your under-eye area. Alpha-arbutin. If you've been looking for a safe, proven solution to lighten dark spots, this is it. Alpha-arbutin is a skin brightening agent that works wonders for reducing the appearance of dark circles under your eyes, as well as other hyperpigmented areas of your skin. What makes alpha-arbutin so effective is that it works by inhibiting melanin production, the pigment that causes dark spots. It doesn't just fade existing dark circles, but it also helps to prevent new ones from forming. This means your eyes will look fresher and more awake naturally and gradually. Unlike some harsh chemical treatments, alpha-arbutin is gentle on the skin, making it an excellent choice for sensitive under-eye areas. It's a safe, non-irritating solution that doesn't cause redness or inflammation, so you can use it regularly without worrying about any unwanted side effects. To use alpha-arbutin, simply apply a small amount of cream under your eyes after cleansing and let it absorb. You'll start to notice that over time, the skin under your eyes becomes brighter, more even, and overall healthier looking. Stick with it and soon you'll feel more confident with your refreshed eyes. This is the final step in your journey toward brighter, healthier under eyes. By using alpha-arbutin, you're giving your skin the best chance to naturally restore its glow and tackle dark circles effectively. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel right now. Also, let us know in the comments, which of these skincare tips did you find the most helpful?